we have to take this baking soda and put this whole baking soda in it. Now we will take this oil and then we will pour it inside the whole glass. Then we have to take this vinegar and then we have to take this food color. Yes. Now we'll mix it and then we'll pour it inside it. Yes. So this is our lava lamp experiment. It is also more dense than oil. So when we add vinegar to it, then it will go down and it will mix with the baking soda below, which is also denser than oil, and that's why it is at the bottom. So both of them will mix and many bubbles will go up because the bubbles are less dense than the oil. Thank you.
So today we are going to do an experiment. The experiment name is water filtration. First I will take some.
Now we will put it for 5 minutes. Then the sand will, all the sand will come downside, and some clear water we can see after 5 minutes. Now we will pour the water inside another beaker. So what will happen that the sand is inside and some clear water is here. Most of the substance are removed from the sand substance are inside only, and the clear water is here. Now you can see that there is drops coming down of clear water. Now we need some more long process, then only we can drink it because there are some more substance. So we need charcoal. When we will pass this water from charcoal, so the bacteria of sand will be removed there only.
Our project name is smoke bubble. Let's start the experiment. We have straw, sugar, shampoo, bottle. Add some sugar. 2 spoons of sugar. We will add some shampoo in glass. Then we will add some shampoo in bottle. Now we will add water and pour water in glass. Now we will mix it. We have to also here in bottle also we have to add half. Just make of this bubble and pour in plate. Then make one big bubble. After that, make inside the bubble. Our experiment's name is liquid density. My name is Sanvi. My name is Krisha. Now let's start the experiment. In that we are taking one container transparent. In that we will add some water. Then we will add some color in it. Then we will take some honey and put inside it. Yes. Now we have to take one nut and put. Can you see the nut is the bottom
bottom of the honey layer. Then we will add one grape, and grape will float on the honey layer. Then we will do the cap of bottle. Then we will take the foam. Can you see, only cap and foam can float on oil. The result is objects and liquids can float on only higher layer and higher density and sinks through lower density.
Good morning. Hello. Today we are doing an experiment. Our experiment name is bubble pop experiment. In it we are using this bowl, straw, spoon, glycerin, dishwasher and this, or it will fall so we can use in backup. Let's start. In the bowl we have add little bit of water like 20 ml. Then we have pour 2 to 3 tablespoon of glycerin. Then we have put 1 teaspoon of this dishwasher. Then I will mix.
Today we are going to do a volcanic eruption.
First, we have material, baking soda, food color,
and vinegar. First, we will pour some 2 tablespoon baking soda. Now we will put food color. So by the food color, the color of lava will be orange. Now we will add 15 ml of vinegar.
You can see the volcano erupt.
Today we are going to show you a experiment of rain cloud in a jar, and the materials are
We have the transparent glass, shaving foam, food color, and water. So let's start.
first we will pour water in the glass. And then we will
Then we will make the layer of shaving foam.
And now we will pour some food color on it. So, can you notice that the food color is going down? And the science behind it, like the clouds collect water and it gets heavier and heavier. It gets that much heavy, so it can't hold more water, and the rain falls. Today we will do invisible ink experiment.
And the materials is a candle, mastic, paper, lemon, knife, and earbuds.
Let's start. First, we will cut lemon. Then we will take one earbud. And we will try it. We will put the paper on this fire.
Yeah, but this is
It's visible.
yes.
Let's start the experiment. We need water, tissue, watercolor, and glass.
Then we will put half of the water in the glass. And then we are gonna mix the colors in it. Then we are gonna take the blue color. And we are gonna put the tissue paper between the both glass.